Even if you've been hanging around this channel for the past decade, one thing that you may not have known about me is just how important my dental and oral hygiene is to me. I always felt like I had a good set of teeth, and even at times when I wasn't really confident with my looks or whatever, I always could rely on the fact that, hey, at least I've got a good set of teeth. And for that reason, I always made sure to take really good care of my teeth. In fact, I'm 37, almost 38 years old. I've never had a cavity or really any issues at all with my teeth. Over the past couple of years, I've actually covered a few toothbrushes on this channel, but one toothbrush that really stood out to me was the NEOS 2 by this video sponsor, Soocas. This is the first ever 2-in-1 toothbrush that I've ever seen that not only has a great electric toothbrush, but also a water flosser built right in. While flossing is super crucial, it's often overlooked by many. Some find that brushing and flossing is just too inconvenient, and sometimes it takes too much time, or they just don't have enough effort. Soocas is the first to introduce a multi-clean concept. They've designed this to achieve a deep clean both on the surface and in the gaps between your teeth with a single product in a simple, efficient process, all with the NEOS 2. In this video, we'll take a full in-depth look at the Soocas NEOS 2 and compare it to some much more expensive electronic toothbrushes on the market. Let's go ahead and get started. The Soocas NEOS 2 is pretty affordable when compared to much more expensive toothbrushes like the Sonicare by Philips or the Oral-B IO Series 9. I did compare the NEOS 2 to both of those other toothbrushes, and I was pretty surprised by the results. The first test that I did here was I spread some peanut butter over these fake teeth, and whereas the Oral-B IO 9 and the Philips Sonicare, they were able to remove most of the peanut butter from the surface of the teeth, but virtually no peanut butter was removed from in between the teeth and along the gum lines. The NEOS 2, on the other hand, was not only able to clean the surface of the teeth, but with the addition of flossing, it was also able to clean in between the teeth, and it was able to remove all the peanut butter from the gum lines. Another test here was some ketchup over a stick of butter, and as you can see, the NEOS 2 definitely delivered the best overall clean, removing most of the ketchup from the stick of butter, whereas the Oral-B and Philips toothbrushes were not as successful. And then of course I had to test the high frequency vibrations in all three toothbrushes, and as you can see, all three of these have a very powerful vibrations. All three of these will definitely do a great job of cleaning the surface of your teeth, but only the NEOS 2 was able to get a good clean in between teeth and on the gum line. Taking a closer look, you see that we've got a couple of different modes here. So you've got a deep cleaning mode. This does 2 minutes of brushing followed by a minute of flossing. Then you have a quick floss mode. This actually brushes and flosses at the same time. So you still get a deep clean, just much quicker. Here you've got your intensity button for low, medium, and high intensities. And then right down here, you'll notice a battery life indicator light. On the back, this is where you're gonna fill up the reservoir with water for the water flossing. Here you can detach the water reservoir to empty that out and clean it. This looks and feels pretty sleek and compact considering that it does both brushing and flossing at the same time. Definitely easier to travel with than both a brush and water flosser. The first thing that really stands out about this is probably the most obvious thing, is that this is the ultimate 2-in-1 brushing and flossing solution. The fact that it has both tools in one just makes this super convenient. If you go to the dentist to get your teeth clean, they're gonna ask you, are you flossing regularly? It's one of the most important things that you can do when taking care of your teeth. The majority of people just brush their teeth and they miss all the debris in between their teeth and along their gum line. This can contribute to things like gingivitis, bad breath, and overall poor gum health. Having a device like the Soocas NEOS 2 that makes flossing super convenient is definitely a plus when it comes to taking care of your teeth. The NEOS 2 has 2 different modes and 3 different intensity settings, so you can really customize your oral hygiene routine. The deep cleaning mode gives you 2 minutes of brushing, then it gives you a 5-second vibration reminder letting you know that it's about to begin 1 minute of flossing. This ensures that you get the deepest clean possible on your teeth. There's also a quick floss mode that's great to use in conjunction with the deep cleaning mode And it's also great for just kind of like in between. So like after a meal, if you just need a 1-minute quick floss session, then you do have that secondary mode. With the push of a button, you can access 3 different intensity modes, ensuring that you're able to remove your plaque while still remaining comfortable through your toothbrush session. The NEOS 2 uses a 0.6mm water stream paired with high frequency vibrations to ensure that you get a deep thorough clean on your teeth. This is able to remove 35 times more stains when compared to a standard manual toothbrush. The main difference here is that powerful water stream is removing plaque and food buildup from your gum line and in between your teeth, which is something that other toothbrushes just can't do. Because of its advanced cleaning capabilities, this has received TÜV Rheinland certification, which is the leading authority in product testing, so you know this is definitely going to give you a legit clean. When it comes to battery life, the NEOS 2 is definitely a battery life champ. With a massive 2600 milliamp hour battery, this is able to last up to 30 days. Other electric toothbrushes that I've tried usually last about a week or 2 weeks. If you're on an extended trip, having that extra battery life definitely comes in handy. Of course, charging the Soocas NEOS 2 is super simple thanks to a magnetic charger that comes with the toothbrush, and you don't have to worry about being surprised by a dead battery, as the NEOS 2 has a smart battery reminder letting you know when it's time to charge your toothbrush. The NEOS 2 is IPX8 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting the entire toothbrush wet, and it comes in a sleek and compact form factor in both dark violet and pearl white colors. Let's get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top we have the Soocas Neo 2. We've got a cleaning brush for the water reservoir. This came with 2 copper-free toothbrush heads, and this also came with a wireless charger that just attaches to the back of the toothbrush. If you're looking for the ultimate solution in teeth and oral hygiene care, then the NEOS 2 by Soocas is definitely a great option. I love the fact that it is 2-in-1. You don't have to worry about a separate device for your water flossing, and the fact that this is able to remove 35 times more stains than manual toothbrushing alone definitely makes this a powerful toothbrush. The NEOS 2 not only provides immediate superior cleaning, but also offers lasting health benefits and could help avoid costly dental procedures. Using NEOS 2 as part of your daily routine helps build good hygiene habits and safeguards your oral health, ensuring you can enjoy a lifetime of confident smiles and healthy teeth. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick up the Soocas NEOS 2, where you can find out more information about this toothbrush. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.